Okay, so
the toilet got clogged up by tampons,
so the plumber's here.
and they're taking them out, which is kind of embarrassing.
Let's go look.
It's good for fishing. You know, when I go fishing Thursdays and Fridays, no one's out.
You like to fish?
Yeah.
Okay, I got some poles, doggy. You want to buy them?
Let me take a look, man.
Okay. I got the reel that's like $150, $200.
Oh, yeah?
For a reel.
Yeah.
Let's go look at the toilet.
Don't step in it.
The floor is all wet.
I have to go pee.
I know, me too. And then this toilet too.
Ew.
If you can see that's all wet right there.
No, look at.
And inside the toilet.
Don't drop my iPad in there.
No.
And right now we're downloading a video onto YouTube.
Into YouTube. And it's 54%. We have a long ways to go.
7 minutes remaining.
That's not that bad.
I look like crap.
Right.
Bye.
Bye.